Guys, I know it's been a little bit since I did a video for y'all, but I figured today would be a good day to do one. We're currently at a shop. We had a tire that it was leaking air, and yeah, it was pretty bad. Hubby was trying to do his tandems, and he heard the sound, and when he went to look, yeah, it was pretty bad. So we are doing that now, trying to get it all figured out. But yeah, for the weekend, we're supposed to be picking up a load around the Kansas City area and then going down to Atlanta, Georgia for, I believe, Monday delivery. So yeah, we pick it up today if we are able to still, hopefully, and then yeah, head down there Monday. But as far as we know, everything's looking, we're just waiting to see about tires. And yeah, you can see the girl right there. We've got her pulled up next to the hoses for them to do the tires. So yeah, but how has everybody been doing? I hope that y'all have had a good past weekend, or it's past week. And yeah, so let's see what else. Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Other than that, though, yeah, stay tuned. I will keep y'all updated as best I can on how things are going. And yeah, we will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.